Welcome to YouTube channel scientific underscore math. In this lecture, we studied the basic power method. We use the basic power method to find the largest eigenvalue and the corresponding eigenvector of the given matrix. Okay, so the learning objectives of this lecture are we first studied the introduction of the basic power method and about the convergence of the basic power method, and when we can apply the basic power method, and then the applications of the basic power method. Okay, so let's start today lecture. Introduction. The power method is an iterative procedure for determining the largest real eigenvalue and the corresponding eigenvector of the matrix. Okay, so we use the basic power iterative method only for determining the largest real eigenvalue of the matrix and the corresponding eigenvector. Okay, so this is the introduction of the basic power iterative method, and next we have the convergence of the basic power method. The power method generally converges very slowly unless the starting vector, that is x, or we also can say that the initial vector, okay, is close to the eigenvector, that is u1. Okay, so this means the basic power method will converge faster toward the largest eigenvalue and the corresponding eigenvector only when the starting vector or the initial vector is close to the eigenvector, that is the u1. Otherwise, this will converges very slowly. Okay, so next we have, when may you apply the basic power method. Okay, so, under the following circumstances, the power approach may be applied. Okay, so first one is only the largest eigenvalue is required when we only uh, desire to calculate the largest eigenvalue of the matrix. Then we apply the uh, basic power method instead of other methods. Okay, so next we have, the largest eigenvalue cannot be repeated root of the characteristic equation. Okay, so in other words, there cannot be other eigenvalue with the same magnitude as the largest eigenvalue. This one is the second condition. Next we have, the largest eigenvalue must be real, because we know that we only apply the basic power method when we desire to calculate the real eigenvalue of the matrix. Okay, so next we have the applications of the basic power method. Although the power iteration method approximates only eigenvalue of only one eigenvalue, that is the largest eigenvalue of a matrix, it remains useful for certain computational problems. Okay, so first we have the application of the basic power method is, Google uses it to calculate the page rank of the documents in their search engine. Okay, so this means Google uses power method in their search engine to rank the pages. Okay, so next we have the Twitter uses it to show user recommendation of whom to follow. Okay, so this is all about the basic power method, and in next lecture we will solve example related to the basic power method. Okay, So thank you so much for watching my lecture. Please subscribe my channel scientific underscore math.